day in the life video of an MMT at Catty Brick Factory. Start off the Monday watching the week video where we learn about the business. Then it's on-site over to the unloader where we're doing traffic analysis. This is looking at the quality of the bricks as they're being sent out for packing. Then it's over to the data brick where I'll be measuring the bricks, seeing if they are within the tolerances and ranges. It's over to some uni work at Sheffield Hallam. I'm studying for a degree in materials technology. Today we're looking at ceramics, bonding and structure. Then it's over to the make. I'm doing the make check, so this is measuring the quality of the bricks after they have been extruded. Then it's time for some lunch with the team. And then it's over to the scrubber. This is me cutting off the pressure before gathering some samples. Then it's over to the quarry, wellies on, lovely day in Bristol for some sampling. So I will be sampling the top of this stockpile and then sending it off for further testing. And then drying the samples. And before I know it, it's 4 o'clock and it's time to go home.